The 2002 Ford Excursion. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 10-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, leather upholstery, power front seats, illuminated running boards, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, rear-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.